Hi everyone, today I am making corn and carrot tikki. This is very crisp and easy to make. For that we'll take corn, grated carrot, chopped onion, some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, chili, garlic paste, some besan, red chili powder, salt, garam masala, cumin powder, and mix it properly. Now it is almost done. Now heat oil in a pan. Put some oil in your palm so that tikki doesn't stick when you make it round. Now take some dough and make round shape. And now put in oil. The oil should not be very hot or very cold. Now place all the tikkis. Cook this tikki till golden brown. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to cook from one side. Cook it in a low-medium flame. I took little more oil because I wanted a crispy tikki. If you want, you can take less oil and cook it. Now let's serve in a plate. Now for this tikki, let's make a dip. Take a yogurt in a bowl, add some mint leaves, some lemon, salt, black pepper and mix it properly. Now our dip is ready. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel.